You're using ChatGPT wrong if you haven't discovered these 5 game-changing features that rolled out with GPT-5 this January. These updates are absolutely mind-blowing and most people have no idea they exist. Here's the problem. ChatGPT just dropped their biggest update ever, but OpenAI buried these features so deep in the interface that 90% of users are missing out on capabilities that could literally transform how they work. According to OpenAI's January 2026 release notes, these features represent the most significant leap in AI assistance we've ever seen, but the adoption rate is shockingly low because people simply don't know where to find them. Let me show you exactly how to unlock each one, starting with the most powerful feature hidden in plain sight. First, navigate to your ChatGPT dashboard and look for the new Advanced Mode toggle in the top right corner. This isn't the same ChatGPT you've been using. Click that toggle and you'll see the interface completely transform with new sidebar options. The first breakthrough feature is real-time voice collaboration. Click on the microphone icon, but now you'll notice it has a small group symbol next to it. This allows you to have natural conversations where ChatGPT can interrupt, ask clarifying questions, and even debate points with you in real time. According to TechCrunch's January 15th coverage, this feature uses advanced speech synthesis that makes conversations feel genuinely human. Next, click on the Projects tab in that new sidebar. This is where feature 2 lives, and it's called Persistent Memory Workspaces. Instead of ChatGPT forgetting everything between conversations, you can now create dedicated workspaces that remember context, preferences, and ongoing projects indefinitely. Create a new workspace by clicking the plus icon and watch as ChatGPT maintains perfect continuity across weeks or even months of work. The third game changer is hidden under the Settings gear icon. Scroll down to find multimodal processing and enable it. This allows ChatGPT to simultaneously analyze text, images, audio, and even video files in a single conversation. Upload multiple file types and watch as GPT-5 creates comprehensive analyses that previous versions never could handle. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next in the tech world. Now for the feature that's getting enterprise users absolutely excited. Go back to that advanced mode interface and click on Workflow Builder in the sidebar. This fourth breakthrough lets you create custom AI workflows that automate complex multi-step tasks. Click Create New Workflow and you'll see a drag-and-drop interface where you can chain together research, analysis, writing, and review processes. Per OpenAI's enterprise documentation released January 10th, early adopters are reporting productivity increases of up to 300%. But here's the feature that's truly revolutionary. Look for the Collaborative Intelligence tab. Feature 5 is called AI Team Mode, and it simulates multiple AI personalities working together on your projects. Click Add Team Member and you can assign different expertise areas to different AI personas. Watch as they actually debate ideas, challenge each other's suggestions, and provide multiple perspectives on complex problems. The New York Times reported on January 20th that this feature is already being used by Fortune 500 companies to simulate boardroom discussions. Let me show you some advanced techniques that'll make you a GPT-5 power user. In real-time voice mode, try saying "challenge my thinking on this" during conversations. The AI will actively push back on your ideas and help you discover blind spots. In Workflow Builder, create templates for recurring tasks like content creation or data analysis, then save them for instant reuse. Here's a pro tip most users miss: combine multimodal processing with persistent memory workspaces. Upload project files to a dedicated workspace, and ChatGPT will maintain context about those materials across unlimited future conversations. This creates an AI assistant that truly knows your work. For Collaborative Intelligence Mode, assign specific roles like Creative Director, Data Analyst, or Devil's Advocate to different AI team members. According to MIT's AI research published this month, role-specific prompting increases output quality by up to 40% compared to general-purpose interactions. One more advanced technique, in the Settings menu, enable proactive suggestions under Advanced Mode. This makes ChatGPT anticipate your needs and offer relevant suggestions before you even ask. It's like having an AI assistant that reads your mind. The integration possibilities are endless. Connect these features to your existing tools through the new API endpoints listed in the developer console. Whether you're handling customer service, content creation, data analysis, or strategic planning, these updates transform ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a comprehensive AI workforce. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These ChatGPT 5 features represent the future of human-AI collaboration, and mastering them now puts you years ahead of the curve. Don't let these powerful tools stay hidden in your interface. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because AI is evolving faster than ever, and we're here to keep you at the cutting edge of every breakthrough. Your tech journey just got a massive upgrade.